So hey everybody, I hope you are having a wonderful day. So welcome to the another video of the channel. So today we will discuss the extension we have to use while we are doing Amazon KDP. If you are someone who is using a lot of paid tool, I will recommend to quit it. I am doing this business around 1.5 years and successfully making it, and I am not even using any paid tool. Every tool I used is a free. They have some paid version, but I never purchase any paid version. I think free is enough. They will do whatever the paid can do. So if you are someone who is spending a lot of money in a paid version, I will say please stop using it. So let's start. Let's see which tools I am using and which is necessary and which is not. So let's get started. So first of all, I will open incognito mode, and here it is. Let's just go to amazon.com, change your address, and here it is. So the tools, the extension I used is here. First of all is AMZ suggestion expander. What it will do, if you search something like coloring book for adults, so you are seeing some suggestions like this. They are default showing by Amazon, and the keywords before others. Expect this in white box, keywords in red and gray box. It's given by Amazon suggestion expander. It will give you more keywords. This is by default Amazon showing you, and this is more keywords that Amazon AMG suggestion expander will give you. So this is the use of AMG suggestion expander. If you are doing your coloring, your keyword is searching, then you can use these keywords in your backend, title, subtitle. And another one is the DS Amazon quick view. So let's see what it does. So we are searching for adult coloring book for adult. Just go and search for it. And what DS Amazon quick view is do, you don't have to just click one by one and see the BSR. It will show the BSR here, like 74, 162, 149. This is what AMG will do. You don't have to click each book every time to see the BSR. You can see it from here, like 149. This is in every page. It will help you to show the BSR without clicking on the book. So this is second tool, and the third tool is Helium 10. I rarely use it. I'll use it to when I'm doing my ASIN targeting ads. Then I use it, like I'm clicking here. Oh, I think it's not loading. So I rarely use it. I use it for copy ASIN, but when DS Amazon quick view will give you ASIN, you can copy it from here like this. I don't know why it's not loading. I rarely use it, so skip it. Helium 10. And keywords everywhere, I used it sometime. It will give you some keywords that not AMG suggestion expander will give you. So let's suppose you want coloring book for adults. Just go and search for coloring book for adults, and here related keywords. This is all the keywords shown by keywords everywhere. This is it. For my KDP, I use only these tools. If you are someone who is using, someday I will use keyword.io too. Keyword.io. Just go to Amazon, just type coloring book for adults, and here you have tons of keywords. Just go and click. First you have to make an ID. I'm on incognito, that's why I don't have. Just click whatever relevant. and just export as text file, copy to clipboard, whatever you want. And I also used Google keyword. Here it is. Oh, I'm incognito. Let's just go and search on normal. Google keyword. I use it for keyword research. It's very easy and free. Just click on discover new keyword. Just go and type coloring book for adults, and it will show you a lot of keywords like this. Tons and tons of keywords. Just go and download your relevant one. So this is all tool I used. I saw so many ads for Publisher Rocket. I don't think it's gonna worth it, the $100. So I will not use any other keyword expected than what I shown you. Colorzilla, I sometimes use it to cop up the color. And Helium 10 I rarely use it. Keywords everywhere I use it. AMG Suggestion Expander I use it. DSM Quick I use it. So this is the extension which you will need. I don't think so any paid extension will help you more than this. So please, if you are someone who is using any paid tool, please stop using it. So this is the end of the video. Over and out. Thanks for watching.